The NBC Director General announced that it will provide a total of 5,040 minutes of free airtime for political parties contesting the November 2024 elections. This includes 420 minutes on television and 4,620 minutes on radio, ensuring equal coverage for all 21 political parties.
What must be clear, we're dealing with a capacity issue as well. And I think all of us must be aware of that as well. But we'll do our utmost to make sure that everybody has a fair chance. And one of the ways of doing that is the free airtime, because there it's guaranteed. You can tailor your message the way you would want to. It's your message. And you must speak to those that you would want to. For television, this will be confined to NBC 1 and 2. And for television, the time length will be 5 minutes for both radio and television. And the reason why we have to put emphasis on the free airtime, we don't want to be accused of not having covered. At least this gives a fair platform for everybody that is there.
The discussions with the political parties also include free coverage of 3 major campaign rallies.
We will look at airtime coverage, TV. We are also online with YouTube. And then we look at equal free airtime allocation for both radio and television. And then we'll speak about productions that we will do for you if you do not have the capacity to do that. And then we'll also then come back to you around rallies that are still to come in terms of how we see them being covered.
The Director General also explained that equal free airtime allocation content will broadcast from 4th November to November 24.
By the time we reach the 24th, that will be the last day for any campaign message. Between the 25th and the 26th, it's a blackout. What we typically will do, we will just be speaking to the ECN, having some analysts in that will give their views. I'm told these are clever people. And then we will also get ordinary Namibians just to come and talk about the elections.
Political parties are required to submit their campaign materials by October 29th. This is aimed to ensure fair and balanced media representation during the electoral process.